Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that?
I can see you even though your eyes are closed.
Danny! What did I say about eating concrete?
You ate the whole pizza. You ate the whole pizza.
Come here, Sydney. Ooh, Oliver, I know you didn't do that, son. That's why you're hanging out.
Are you ashamed? Do you feel guilty? Jameson.
Did you dig that hole?
Oh, no. What did you do? Did you chew that up?
What is that, Willow?